Good afternoon everyone, it's Rachel here and I am just going to show you a little quick Etsy update. So I've done a new fussy cut flowers kit. I've been meaning to do it for quite a while and hadn't found the time, and they're they're quite a bit bigger than my other flowers because I really wanted them, and then you'll see in my video today, this is something I made in my video today. I wanted it bigger flowers to cover a larger space, just to give you an idea of the different. That's one from this kit, but the difference in size is quite significant. So you know, I mean, that would have worked on there as well, but that's a bit small for that type of journal card. But also I felt like they're good for those long things that really do my head in. So I used a few in my what's in my box video today, and so I did 4 pages. Normally my fussy cut flowers have 3 pages, but I think they've got probably 8 or 9 flowers on. These have 5 or 6 on each page. So this is printed out from the PDF, and so I'll just show you the flowers. And of course I always include the flowers in that I like to use. So that one has 5. I couldn't fit more on there, but I just love all of these. I love the colors. So and the other thing we did was that sometimes they're a little bit lumpy around the edges here, but we put an antique 1700s plain paper behind, and then left a little border around them. So that way, except for these little bits here, you don't feel like you have to go in and cut out all of the bits. So yeah, it's also that'll be good for anyone who has a Cricut, the Cricut or whatever it's called. Whereas my other ones are all the old page behind. These ones are just behind the flowers. So that's the kit. It's 4 pages. So there'll be 4 JPEG files in the kit, and then also the PDF is 4 pages. So you can choose which one you want to print from. So that is my little quick Etsy update. I hope you enjoy them. I can't wait to use them. So I will be using them as well. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.